How to fix TikTok videos not playing. So if you want to fix your TikTok videos not playing, then what you need to do, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you're using an updated version. So you need to open up your Play Store, and from the Play Store you need to go with search and search for TikTok. And once you've searched for TikTok, make sure that you have an update, and if you have any updates, you need to go and update it. Now, if you don't have any updates, you need to just go with open and open up your TikTok and make sure that you've logged into your account. And what you want to do is you want to just go and refresh your For You page. For that, you need to tap on your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. At this section, you need to tap on Content Preferences under Content and Display. But if it is not under the Content and Display, you need to just go with the first option. With the update, you will have the Content Preferences on the first. Tap on Content Preferences. And here you will have an option of refresh your For You feed. You need to tap on it. Now this will give you a fresh start. You can tap on start, which will be on the bottom, and tap on refresh and continue. And also be noted that this action cannot be undone. Now you can give any reason that you would like, or just simply tap on go to your For You feed, and that's it. And this shall work. If it's still not working, then you have to clear the cache. You just need simply go back from your TikTok, and then now you need to search for TikTok again and tap and hold on to your TikTok application, and then you will find the app info section. Tap on the app info and it will take you to the settings. Now once you're on your settings, or once you're on your app info of your TikTok, you need to go with your storage and cache, tap on it, and then go with clear cache. And once you cleared your cache, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.